If your future self wrote you a letter, what would it say? I recently asked myself this question. Today I share my own letter, and as I narrate my handwriting on a page, I hope you find these words to be invisible threads that link us somehow. None of us really exist apart anyway. Welcome to Coached by Nikki Dyer. Before I begin, I invite you to close your eyes and to bring some gentle movement through your body. Start to notice your breath, feeling the way your chest rises on the inhale, relaxing into the out-breath. Allow your mind to focus on your exhales for the next few cycles. Feeling your body soften a little deeper still with each one. And find your body and mind now in a familiar state of calm and settled as you breathe gently and just listen. Dear present you, I read this message as your future self because there will be days ahead when I know you will need it. I hope that when you look back on your life, you have empathy for the well-intentioned version of yourself that didn't always get things right. I hope you give yourself credit for going outside of your comfort zone, for persisting, for putting yourself out there to be seen, even when you didn't feel confident or sure of yourself at all. Don't hide your light or your natural gifts because they're different. Doing things differently from everyone else is the thing people are going to like most about you. There is nothing wrong with taking an unconventional path. There's nothing wrong with moving at your own pace. There's nothing wrong with choosing what's best for you, even if it's unpopular. Speak out loud about what you desire. Speak up for yourself. Be loud about it. Be bold and confident in what you have to say. The truth is, at some point, you'll have to let them go. Those high expectations you have been carrying around about who you are supposed to be. I hope you can hear me when I tell you perfectionism is a myth, and that your soul will really begin to bloom when you start to realize you can't change who people are, and you don't need to heal. It's okay to change. Believe in your ability to break cycles that used to hold you hostage. And more than anything else, Feel my warm arms wrapped around you as I say with love, sometimes the other shoe doesn't drop. So soak it all up and take a deep breath in. And exhale. We get one life. Let's make it everything we want it to be. You've heard my letter. And now I encourage you to ask yourself the same question. If your future self recited a letter to you, what would it say? Take a final deep breath in and exhale. And when you feel ready, open your eyes. I encourage you to write a letter from your future self and save it for a moment that feels right. If you enjoyed this meditation, please like and subscribe and share it with someone you love. I release a new meditation every Wednesday.